Although the sound of the letter waw is pretty universal, and it is found in almost every single language, there are still some common mistakes that we have to pay attention to. And in this lesson, we will discuss 3 of the most common mistakes that I have heard learners make when reciting the Quran. The first common mistake is wrong shape of the lips when pronouncing the oo sound in Arabic. The mistake is that sometimes the shape of the lips is not round enough, which will produce a loose sound that is not correct, or when the shape of the lips is too tightly rounded, which will also produce a very condensed and pressed oo sound, which is also not the proper sound in Arabic. First is the mistake when the lips are not properly rounded. It is going to sound like this. ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون. So here the lips are not properly rounded. Now, if the lips are too close to each other, the sound will be too condensed and is gonna sound like this. ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون. So what is the proper pronunciation of the waw in Arabic? And what is the best way that we can achieve the proper waw? Well, the waw sound, when it is used as a long vowel, it is best compared to the oo sound in the word food. Notice we say food, we don't say food, and we don't say food. So it is somewhere in between. And so must the shape of the lips be. It is in between. Let's listen to the same example one more time. ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون. One more example. والراسخون في العلم يقولون. والراسخون في العلم يقولون. Now these were the 2 extremes, the one that you didn't round the lips enough, and the second one when you rounded the lips too tightly. Now is the proper pronunciation. والراسخون في العلم يقولون. Now this was the first common mistake. The second common mistake is related to the placement of the tongue. When pronouncing the waw sound in Arabic, the tongue should be completely relaxed, and the tip of the tongue is touching the lower teeth from the inside. If this placement of the tongue is disturbed or the tongue is raised, it will produce a wrong version of the sound. More specifically, you will be mixing the sound of the waw with a hint of the yeah sound. So you will kind of be pronouncing both at the same time. And this mistake is very commonly made by our brothers and sisters from Turkey. And it sounds like this. وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. Now, this mistake comes from raising the middle part of the tongue, as if you're mixing the movement of the waw with the mouth movement of the ya. So instead of saying u, you have to say oo without raising the middle of the tongue. And it should sound like this. وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. Finally, the function of the lips and the teeth when pronouncing the waw. When pronouncing the Arabic waw, the teeth are not involved. But some languages like German, Dutch, Hindi, and many other languages, they do not have words that start with the wa sound. And that's why they are not used to starting with it. And as a result, when they start with the wa sound, it will have a hint of va sound in it. Like in this example. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ. And this is of course not correct. You have to make sure that the lips are rounded and that the lips don't touch at any point the upper front teeth, because this is the reason why the V is generated. So instead of saying V, we will say وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ. Now it might be possible that you can't get these pronunciations right the first time, but what you're supposed to do is to keep trying as hard as you can until you get it right, inshallah. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something new today. If you did, please like and share the video for other people to learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.